Best shower chairs. The review mission is to help you buy the best stuff and get the most out of what you already own. Our team of product experts thoroughly vet every product we recommend to help you cut through the clutter and find what you need. Please join my channel for more video reviews. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Medline Shower Chair Bath Seat. The shower chair from Medline has a metal construction with a padded back and armrests. Its seat height is adjustable from 16 to 21 inches. The legs are also adjustable for adequate balance and fit. This bathtub chair has a weight capacity of 350 pounds and offers comfort while bathing elders, injured, or disabled people. In this YouTube video, you will find a detailed review of this product. Pros: latex-free, anti-slip feet, durable frame. Cons: may be prone to rust. Number 2. Drive Medical RTL 12505 Handicap Bathroom Bench. High-quality product that features back support and armrests in addition to a maximum weight capacity of 350 pounds, which is higher than our top pick, and easy assembly that requires no tools. The Drive Medical Premium Series shower chair is made from high-quality plastic components that can carry a maximum weight load of 350 pounds, which is much higher than what is found with our top pick. It boasts back support and armrests, increasing the comfort level, and is extremely easy to assemble and later disassemble for storage, with no tools of any kind needed. We also liked the non-slip feet, which produce a stable grip in line with our top pick. Though this seat does adjust, the range on offer is slightly less than our top pick, with a minimum of 16 inches and a maximum of 20.5 inches. Also, it is more than twice the weight of our top pick, which could be a portability issue for those with broken legs or those that are paraplegic. And if you decide to invest in this, make sure you have the best shower curtain. Pros: max weight 350 pounds. Easy to assemble and disassemble for storage. Back support and armrests. Cons: no swivel mechanism. Number 3. Vaunn Medical Tool-Free Assembly Spa Bathtub Adjustable Shower Chair. Modular design allows for the easy application or removal of back support, with a lightweight design in line with our top pick and some innovative water resistance capabilities and a wide and comfortable seat. The Vaunn Medical Adjustable Shower Chair is a modularly designed product that allows for the instant installation of back support, when needed. The chair is extremely light, at just 4 pounds, and the seat is wide and comfortable, made from contoured, high-density, antibacterial polyethylene. We also liked the drain holes that run along the seat, which help to improve this product's water resistance rating. Though the light form factor is amazing, allowing it to be easily stowed away after knee replacement surgery and other procedures, the maximum weight on offer is lower than our top picks, at 250 pounds. Additionally, this product offers non-slip feet, but we found them to be slightly less effective than our top picks, though this was not a deal breaker. The best shower caddy will also make the shower more usable for some people with problems. Pros: wide and comfortable seat. Drain holes help with water resistance. As light as top pick, 4 pounds. Cons: max weight 250. Number 4. Carex Universal Bath Seat and Shower Chair. Budget-friendly product with an extremely high maximum weight capacity, 400 pounds, with an easy no-tools assembly procedure and built-in side handles and non-slip feet for increased stability. The Carex Universal Bath Seat and Shower Chair is an extremely budget-friendly option with many of the same outstanding features found in our top picks, such as the second highest maximum weight capacity to be found on this list, 400 pounds, and built-in side handles and non-slip feet for superior stability. We also liked that installation and assembly was extremely simple and fast, requiring no tools whatsoever. Though we loved the maximum weight capacity on offer, the chair is on the heavy side, at over 8 pounds. Additionally, there are no armrests or back support on offer with this product. To avoid getting water close to your chair or other items on the floor while showering, you need the best shower curtain liner. Pros: max weight 400 pounds. Built-in side handles and non-slip feet. Easy to assemble. Cons: no back support. Number 5. Dr. Maya's Adjustable Shower Chair with Free Grab Bar. Comes with useful accessories, including a suction-based handle and a shower sponge, with a maximum weight capacity of 300 pounds and high-quality anti-slip rubber feet that are in line with our top pick. The Dr. Maya adjustable bath and shower chair comes with a suite of useful accessories, including a suction cup-enabled handlebar and a shower sponge, both of which we found to be of high quality. The maximum weight is 300 pounds, which is on the higher end, and the anti-slip rubber feet perform excellently, putting them in line with the performance found with our top pick. We also liked that there is an option to purchase this with a backrest, though it does cost extra. The height range on offer is decent, though falls slightly shorter than what is found with our top pick and several other picks on this list. Also, the seat is fairly wide, which we appreciate, but it makes for a snug fit in smaller tubs and showers. Our health and wellness section has all kinds of items that make life easier and safer. Pros: max weight 300 pounds. High quality anti-slip rubber feet. Option to purchase with backrest. Cons: slightly less height range than top pick.